Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to your Kraken account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Kraken sign up. After that, you'll find Kraken on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the sign up portal. You can either create your personal account or your business account. You just simply have to enter your credentials and click here to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and click here. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.